So we have total 3 circles here. So first circle is here, 63. I draw this, then I draw 50. The second circle, the dotted one, construction element. Then third circle is 32. So let me draw all these circles in the Catia. Let me open Catia software. I go to the start, then I'll go to the mechanical design, then file design, give OK. Then here insert a geometrical set. So first one is wireframe. In the wireframe take point. Then second one is sketches. In the sketches, I just go to the positioning sketch. Then I'll select the plane. Then I'll go with the projection point here. Then I'll give OK. Then total we have a 3 circles, right? So let me draw all these 3 circles. So first one is 63, then 50, then 32. So first one is 63. I'll draw it. So then second one I'll draw it. Then third one I'll draw it like this. Now I go to the dimensions. So here this is 50. Then bigger one is 63. And smaller one is this one, 32. Now I have drawn the 3 circle, but this middle circle one is construction element. So I give construction element. Then I'll have here. So this circle I'll go now. Yes. So here we have a rectangular slot. I'll draw this. So its dimensions is 8 into 2. So height is 2 mm and this one is 8 mm is width. Let me draw the rectangle, centered rectangle here. So this one is a construction geometrical element. Let me use geometrical element. I deactivate it. So roughly I take this. Then now I give the dimensions to this. This one is 8 mm. I'll give 8. And from here to here is 2 mm. Sorry, not from here. So the total one is 2 mm, but I take 4 mm as it is a center rectangle. Then remaining, I trim off the rest of the portions from here to here. Now it got unconstrained, so I'll give from the center to this, or there also you can give. So 8 into 2. Once you check whether sketch is constrained or not, yeah, this is under constraint because of this point. So I'm going to delete that point. I close it. The next one is that circular pattern. Now I go to the next geometries, which is a circular pattern. So circular pattern is this. Yes, this one. So which is given by 5 diameter. And how many circles means 8 circles of 5 diameters. So I draw that. So exactly here, I give the dimension 8, 5, sorry, it's 5. Then we have 8 circles. What I do, I just take only 4. Only one side I take. So I'm going to take this circle, sorry, this circle and this circle. Only one side circle I take. So 2 circles I'm going to take here. Then remaining I do mirror. I go to the rotate option over here. Then first I'll select the geometry. Then I'll select the center point, then I'll give this total is 360 degree divided by 8 circles. Here he has given 8. I give here 8, 360 divided by 8. Then I need only 2 circles. I give OK. Now these two are under constraint. Let me constrain it with these center points. So this center point, this circle center point, and this coincides. So I make coincidence, then I give the distance between this point and this point. Then again, same here also. This is coincide with this. Then this one, this circle again coincide with this. So now let me check once sketch solving status, which is ISO constraint. Now I'm going to mirror this to that side. Go to the mirror option, and with respect to this axis, I'll mirror it. Once again, I go to the mirror option by selecting this 3 with respect to horizontal axis. So now our inside geometry is over. Next, I'll draw this circle, these 2 circles. This circle is 38 and this circle is 57. But its location is 54. 54 is horizontal, vertical distance, but horizontal distance is exactly it is coming on the central axis, so no horizontal distance. So 38 and 57, 2 circles I take now. So exactly on the vertical axis, I take 2 circles. First circle, again I take one more circle. Now I give dimensions. So this one is 57, and this one is 38. The location is from horizontal axis to this center point is 54. So now let me take this line. So this line coincided here to this circle, and which is coincided with this circle also. So I draw this circle. So full circle I take. Okay, of the radius 70. Then I take this line. So let me draw a 70 mm circle. I click on the circle, then I'll click here, and radius is 70 mm. Enter. So I have drawn this circle 70 mm. Yes, this is finished. Now I take one line. So this line. So this line I need a height which is coming from here. So height is here 6 I take. So at the height of 6 mm, which coincide both circles. This circle as and this circle. So let me take this. Let me take on line. So on this, I take roughly one line. I draw one horizontal line roughly. Let me give it. Now I'm going to trim. inside portion, the line which is connected with these two circles, and with the height of 6 mm from the central axis, from here to here, which is 6 mm. So now I give the fillet over here. So fillet is this 6 mm and 6 areas. So first area is this, and second area is this, then third area is this 6. So I give this 3 fillets. So let me go here, corner. So first is this to this, it is 6 mm. Then second is from here to here. I go here, but this time I select no trim. Later on, I trim it. So this to here, 6 mm. And the third one is here, this circle with this circle. Here and here, it's 6 mm with no trim. Yes. Now I'm going to this I don't want, and here I don't want this, and I don't want this. This also I don't want. So now I go to mirror and I mirror this side. With these 3 fillets, I mirror it. But here we have one more fillet. So let me see this. So we have one more fillet, which is this one. So it is two places, R12, this and this. So I give R12 fillet over here. I go to the again corner option with no trim selection, and I'll give 12 mm radius, enter. So now I am going to trim the remaining portions. So this I don't want. I click on the eraser, trim it. So now what I do is I'm going to mirror the entire profile to the left side. So this one, this one, this fillet, this fillet, this fillet, this fillet, and this one. Go to the mirror option, click on this axis. Yes, we have mirrored it. So let me check with the ISO constraints ones. Yeah, it is ISO constraint. So next profile is so draw this circle, which he has not given that dimension, but this is circle. So I draw the first circle, then second circle is this. So this is the second circle which I have. So which dimensions he has not given. So I have to assume it. So before assuming, what I do here is, so first I draw this circle, then I'll assume that one. So here this circle radius is, he has given here. Yeah, he has given this radius is here. See this circle radius he has given here. So 20 circles at the rate like radius of 9. I take this and I draw here. So let me draw first this circle which tangential contacts. Then after that I draw this circle second. Then I draw the third circle. See here I assume this circle to here, which is 3 mm. So I'll assume that one and I'll draw it. Let me erase everything. So first I'll draw this circle here. First I draw this circle, then I draw this circle, and I assume here the distance is 3 mm from this circle to this perimeter. So let me draw the first circle. Center point is and which is tangent with this. So next circle, I draw somewhere a small circle of radius 9. Here I'll draw. Radius is 9 mm. Enter. Now what I do is here, go to the constraint from here to this circle, which is 3 mm. Just click on 3. Then I draw one more circle, which is outer circle now. And now I'm going to draw this circle, this outer circle. This entire outer circle I'm going to draw. This one. So which is exactly lying on the center point of this small circle. So center point is here, then end point is with this circle. So now I'm going to trim the rest of the portions. So here we don't want this outside and this one. So now I'm going to do a circular pattern to this. So let me check circular patterns. So here total 20, but what I do is I take only this side 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. I take 5 circles, then I mirror this 5. I go to the rotate option, select this geometry, then select the center point. So I need here 5. So the total is 360 degree. Number of circles are enter. So yes, I received this. So now I'm going to constraint this 3. So this center point is lying on this. So give a coincidence. Then this center point to this center point, give distance. Then again this center point to here, coincidence. And this center point to here, give a distance. This center point with this coincide. Then from this center point to this center point, give a distance. Here to here, same thing. So from this center point to here, coincidence. What I do from here to the horizontal axis, coincidence. Then now I'm going to trim it off the rest of the portion. This I don't want, this I don't want, this portion I don't want, this and this. Now I'm going to mirror rest of the things. Before that, make sure your sketch should be constrained. So here something is missing. So I do Control Z. Yes, here I have erased this one. I have to erase only this. Let me erase this, this. So it is taking the entire thing. So for that, first what I do is I make the pattern, then I am going to erase this. So select this, 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 and make mirror to that side. So the same thing here. Again, this, this, everything you have to select, make a mirror. So now next I need to delete, I need to erase this. I need to erase this one. So after this, let me go with the next geometry. So this one. So this I need to draw. So which is, first one is 30 degree. Then rest of the things are, if you see this, 120 degree. So I draw the first geometry here, which is 12 diameter, and on the radius of uh, uh, arc diameter of 127, from here to 30 degree, 120 degree. Let me take the arc of 127 diameter, and which is a construction element. So I give the dimensions. So diameter here, uh, 127, 127, enter. Oh, sorry. Once again, I draw it because it has taken the relationship. So let me take the arc here. Just give me a moment. Okay. Now I'm going to delete this arc. I give a control Z. So let me take once again arc from this center point. I hold the shift button so that it won't take any relationship. So the diameter of this is 127. I convert it to diameter 127. So now with that one line I take from here, again, this is also a construction element which is touching with this. This length is 30 degree. From here to here, it is 30 degree. This to horizontal axis, which is 30 degree. I give 30, enter. Then we will draw the circle. So the circle diameter is here. He has given this one is 12 mm. Now let me rotate and see. Now I need to make a circular pattern here. So what I'm going to do here is, so this one he has given already. So 120 degree, the entire arc. So what do I do here is 120 divided by total circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. I take this, then 6 circles I take because this is a half one, right? So 120 divided by 6 I need to take. If I take that 120 divided by 6, then each circle has a 20, 20, 20. Here to here 20. So 30 plus 20, 50, 50, 70, 90. So 20, 20 take. I only take one side. This side I take. Then I mirror it to the next side. So go to the rotate option again. Select the geometry. select the center point. Then here I only want three circles. So 20 degree, give enter. So here I got this side. So now what I do is I make iso constraint. So this circle center point and this one is coincides. Then this circle point to this. Can give the dimensions from here. This circle point with this make a coincidence. Then here to here give the coincidence. Then this circle point and this one make a coincidence. Then here to here. Then give the distance. Now once check whether it is iso constrained or not. So let me choose. Let me select this sketch solving status bar. So it is under constraint because of these 2 points. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to erase this. So and this one also. So this one is not connected. I erase this also. Now let me check whether the sketch is iso constrained or not. Still it is not. So let me check. Yeah, because of this. So here these two lines are not connected properly. So what I do, I extend this. I extend this to here. So here with the no trim options. I select this. Then again I extend this with this. Now I'm going to trim. Once let me check before. Yeah, it is under constraint. Yeah, because of these 2 points. Yeah, here it is not connected, right? So because of that, it is under constraint. So let me do mirror with this. So first, let me erase this here. Now what I do is I'm going to mirror this to that side. Now once you check, yeah, still it is iso constraint because of these 2 points which are not coincided correctly. So again, I'll extend this two up to this, and again I extend this up to here. Check. Yes, now it is iso constraint. So now what I do is I'm going to mirror this three to the other side. Yes. So you check now. So your sketch is finally iso constraint. In this way, you can do the sketching. If you want now, you can hide all the constraints from here. Just expand it from here to here last. So hold the shift button, select here, and you can hide it. Your sketch is ready.